Hello everyone, welcome back into this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a list of tables in Microsoft Office Word. Remember that if you have made a document or article and you have used different tables, you may need to be adding a list of tables you have used in your document. This is what I'm going to show you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel TV, turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV. Remember to share to your friends. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, I have my document here and you see it doesn't contain any table here. I'm going to first move my content down so that I can remain with the place where I will be adding the list of tables, or I can be adding the table of content. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to use tables. I'm going to add tables for demonstration purpose. Let me, for instance, here insert table. I go to insert, then design tables. After this is my first table. So you can find out the way you add the information. Also, I have to go down and add another table here. Now this is a table. You can be adding some information for it to be having the information as well. Also, I add the third one and I click on insert, then I click this one. So what you do is now can add information. So as you can see, I have 3 tables. What you have to do next is you come here and make sure that you add the captions to each table. I have to come here and select this table. After selecting this table, I go to references. Now I have to add the captions. You can see this is the captions. Now this is table number 1. I can say my first table or technical training table. Let's call it technical training strategies. That's the ones which are included in the table. Here I have to select where the caption is going to be and I select it below. Then I add it. As you can see, it is already added. So I will go back I go down and select this one as well. And also go to references, then insert captions. What I need to do, I need to add another title or caption for it. Now, types of training programs. So let's suppose this is my table also, which is called this one, which is containing the information related to this. Also, I have to select the third one and add caption. So let's go to insert caption and also add different fellowship application. Once I'm done, you can see I have this one. Also, I'm having 3 tables and I have added all captions. So I have to come back to my first page I have left for tables. If you have table of content, of course it will be at the first page. And also I have to add my first table, my list of tables. Now I have to come here to insert table figures. And I can choose this one. You can see we have different ones. Here you can choose this one without the hyperlink, and also this one is a hyperlink, which means you can be able to click on it and be redirected to the page where the table is. Let me choose this one and click OK. As you can see, my table is there. So this means that my first table is on page 2, my second one is on page 3, is on page 2, and my third one is on page 3. So thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be adding a list of tables in Microsoft Office Word document and be able to display all tables you have used in your MS Word document or article. By also displaying this, you can be able to reference them and make it easy for someone who is navigating around your document to be able to read and look through them. So remember to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel TV. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section.